To create a wallet in Robinhood, start by downloading the Robinhood Wallet app from the Play Store or App Store and open it. Once opened, click on the Get Started button, which will take you to a screen where you can choose to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you have an external wallet, you can import it by selecting a file from your device or retrieving it from Google Drive. To create a new wallet, click on the Create a New Wallet option. You will then be prompted to create a custom 6-digit PIN. After setting up your PIN, you will be asked to back up your wallet, which can be done manually or through Google Drive. You can choose to skip this step if desired. Next, you will be given the option to enable notifications to track your wallet activities, which you can choose to enable or postpone. Once these steps are complete, your wallet is created, and you can proceed by clicking Let's Go. From here, you can buy or send crypto to another wallet of your choice.